So here she is. I've been waiting on this just for a couple days. But I'm so excited about this machine. I've been really wanting a new sewing machine, a more high performance one, but I didn't really know if I wanted the full industrial. This actually goes through 16 layers of denim and I think 8 layers of leather. So I think it's gonna be just what I need. So let's unbox it. Okay, this is the extension table. It's a pretty good size one. Just all that stuff. Just get the foot and the cord out. Let's reveal. It's not even that big, but it's so. Oh my God, yeah, it's heavy. Sheesh. Oh. Woo. Oh, hell no, I'm about to break my back. There's her little beautiful soul. And I think I also want to bring this table down. Let's see. So I'm getting my sewing room together. Don't judge me because I clean like the floors and everything every Monday. I have to clean the table off quite often, but right now I'm in the middle of doing something. So right now my sewing room is just like messy. So I got this 12-foot cube thing that I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna try to keep this in this area, but it might just be a little tighter. And then this right here is a rack of fabrics, and those are all fabrics or scrap pieces of fabric. And then I can't walk back here because of this stupid rack, and that's another reason I gotta pull this rack out every single time. But it's just cluttered, if you get what I'm saying. And right here, right outside of my sewing room, I have this rack right here, and this is another rack of all the stuff that I want to upcycle. So what I'm going to do is so I ordered these right here. I just ordered this one in black. It's in gold in this room, but I want to take this down and put that rack on that wall. And I think I'm gonna put just like all fabrics in some of the boxes that I can put on the shelves, and then just hang the fabrics really nicely. So that'll just be like all fabrics. Then I'm gonna bring back all the clothes that I want to upcycle and just put it in there, and take that, because there's a bar up there. Just take that out and get rid of this. This is fabric that'll go onto that organizer. So you'll see. So I put that right there. I think I'm gonna paint that all black, and maybe put some decorations. I just don't want this area to look so cluttered. I don't have nowhere else to put it. So all right, so boom, got all that right there. Now I'm about to organize this. And I got a bunch of cubes already, so I'll go ahead and organize this. Got all the little boxes in there. I might even use my Cricut machine to press like a decoration or like a label on these to show what's in it. I don't know. We'll see. Pulling this thing out of here. Out of all the clothing organizing things, this was the cheapest thing. I'll be surprised if it don't fall apart as I'm trying to pull it out of here. But I'm trying to pull this out. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Just gonna. Alright, I have so many of these IKEA things. But there's the room that I have left. All this is either samples that I've made or stuff that I want to rework. So I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff that I want to rework right here, all in this closet. So here's how it looks right now. That stuff up there is gonna be gone, and I'll probably just store other stuff up there. But it's cluttered, but at least I can like walk all the way into it. I don't have to pull a rack out. So this is all my grailed stuff that I need to take pictures of, and stuff that I want to upcycle. So I got all this set up in here, and it looks okay. I mean, I wanted it to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, but it looks pretty good. So eventually, so this is just all fabrics. There's all of our denim. It's all of our wool and knits. So I think it's a cute little way to store your fabric, and I feel like it kind of goes with my artwork. So yeah. Okay, so far it's real cute. I haven't filled up all the boxes, but so far it's cute. I'm trying to make it aesthetically pleasing, but I need it to be functional as well. So right here I have my embroidery machine, my sewing machine, and my serger. And I just use this chair to like go between all of these. And right here I have, in this little IKEA storage thing, I have all my serger thread, all my embroidery hoops and stuff right there. And right down here I have my printer, and then just more little buckets of stuff, thread, elastic, my Cricut machine, and then of course here's my sewing table. Up under here I have some tools and ironing stuff. And here's my ironing mat. I take this off when I'm using the cutting table, like the entire table. And yeah, so it's looking real cute. Heat press.